Hey guys, I hope you are doing well and enjoy watching my YouTube tutorials. So welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand, and in this sequel tutorial we are going to see a right outer join. So let's get started. Right outer join is exactly the mirror image of left outer join. So what we have seen in the left outer join, that it will return all the record from the left table and only return the matching record from the right table. So in the right outer join, it is exactly the mirror of left outer join. So you can see that it will return in the Venn diagram. We can see in that it will return all record from the right tables, and the portion that I am just hovering it, so you can see that all record from the right table will be written, and it will return only record from the left table whenever there is a match based on the common column conditions. So let's see the example. Before that, we can see quickly go through the syntax. So the syntax is exactly same with the left outer join. The only difference that there is a change is the name of keyword. So instead of left outer join, here the name is a right outer join, and remaining all of the thing are same. The select and the column expression on which we are going to project the informations, and this table one is still a left table, and as we are doing a right outer join, so table 2 will be our right outer join. And like the for table, whenever we are doing a left outer join, so table 1 was a base table. Now we are doing a right outer join, so our table 2 will be the base table, and we are going to look up on table 1. So which means table 2 should return all entries whatever informations is present on the table, and only the matching record is found based on the column name conditions that should be written from the left table. So let's see the practicals. Yeah, so here we are, we'll use the customers and orders table. So you can see that customer has 7 record and customer id is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And in the orders you can see that there are bunch of orders. So you can see that I have added one additional record for demonstration purpose, like row number 14, where customer id equal to 10. So this customer is not present in the customer table. You can see that there is only 7 record for orders. In orders table, customer id equal to 10 is orphan for customer table. So this is I have added intentionally to show the right demo for right outer join. You can see that I have used the customer for my left table customer, and I gave the alias name as a C, and I have provided the uh, right outer join. The keyword is right outer join, and my right table is orders O, and the common column condition is customer ID. So from it is present on the both the table. So I just fire this query and let's see what will be the output of this. Yeah, so you can see that almost all field has a entry, whether it is it is from the right table or from the left table. So for this three field, this belongs to the customer, which means this is our left table, and these are our right table. The only the customer id equal to 10 from the right table, this row does not have any entry in the customer table. Hence you can see that entries for the left hand side all will be null, as we have seen in the left outer join. So similarly, a right outer join, as I earlier said, that this is the exactly mirror image of left outer join, and this join is rarely used, because if we just change the order, so instead of customer, you just shuffle this, so you can see the different output. Yes, you can see that now it is the this output is equivalent to left outer join. So in industry it is developers always prefer to use the left outer join instead of outer join. I don't know what is the exactly reason, but they are maybe the thumb of rule of thumb, they are using the left outer join and they are preferring that. uh, Maybe that could be the reason. Otherwise there is a no such difference. So that's all about the right outer join. I hope guys you have understood the concept of left outer join. So till then, take care of yourself and stay safe and happy learning.